Hey everyone, Hamza here. Today we're diving into the world of databases, specifically two heavy hitters, Supabase and Firebase. These platforms are changing the game for developers, offering powerful tools to build amazing apps. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, choosing the right database is crucial. So, what's the deal with Supabase and Firebase? Both are cloud-based platforms that make it super easy to store your app's data and scale as needed. Think of them as the backbone of your app, handling everything from user accounts to complex data relationships. This essay is your guide to navigating the Supabase versus Firebase showdown. We'll break down their features, weigh the pros and cons, and help you decide which one reigns supreme for your next project. Get ready to level up your database game. Let's get down to brass tacks and compare what Supabase and Firebase bring to the table. Supabase prides itself on being the open source Firebase alternative. It's built on top of PostgreSQL, a powerful and popular relational database. This means you get the robustness and familiarity of SQL, the industry standard language for managing data in tables. Firebase, on the other hand, is a Google product through and through. It boasts a NoSQL database, specifically Firestore. NoSQL databases are known for their flexibility and scalability, especially with large amounts of data. They store data in documents instead of tables, which can be a different way of thinking about your data structure. Both platforms offer real-time capabilities, meaning any changes you make to your data are instantly reflected across all connected devices. This is huge for building dynamic and collaborative applications. Every tech choice comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's break down the pros and cons of Supabase and Firebase. Supabase offers transparency and community support. If you're comfortable with SQL, Supabase feels like home. PostgreSQL ensures data consistency and accuracy. Firebase integrates with Google services for a unified experience. Firebase supports offline apps, syncing data when online. However, Firebase's deep integration can lead to vendor lock-in. Section 4. Notifications. Keeping users in the loop. Notifications are the lifeblood of engaging user experiences. Let's see how Supabase and Firebase handle this critical feature. Firebase boasts a native notification system that's tightly integrated with its platform. You can send messages to specific devices, user segments, or even all active users with ease. It's a powerful tool for keeping users engaged and informed. Supabase, on the other hand, takes a different approach. While it doesn't have a built-in notification system, it seamlessly integrates with third-party providers like OneSignal. OneSignal is a popular and feature-rich platform that empowers you to craft targeted and effective push notifications. Section 5. The Supabase Advantage. Beyond the core features, Supabase offers some compelling advantages that make it stand out from the crowd. Open source and transparent. Supabase's commitment to open source fosters a collaborative and community-driven environment. This translates to greater transparency, faster innovation, and the ability to customize the platform to your liking. Scalability and performance. Built on the shoulders of PostgreSQL, Supabase inherits its renowned scalability and performance. Whether you're dealing with thousands of users or millions, Supabase can handle the load with grace. Developer, first philosophy. Supabase is built by developers, for developers. The team behind Supabase understands the pain points of building and scaling applications, and they've baked that experience into the platform's design. Section 6. Making the switch. Migrating to Supabase. Supabase makes switching databases straightforward, especially from MySQL or PostgreSQL. Export your data using SQL dumps or CSV files. Set up your Supabase project. Create a new project on Supabase. Import your data using Supabase tools. Update your application's code to connect to Supabase. Section 7. The final verdict. So which database should you choose? Supabase or Firebase? The answer, as always in tech, is it depends. If you prioritize open source transparency, SQL familiarity, and a relational database model, Supabase is the clear winner. If you value seamless Google integration, NoSQL flexibility, and a mature ecosystem with native features like notifications, Firebase is a strong contender. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific project requirements, your team's expertise, and your long-term goals. Both Supabase and Firebase are powerful platforms that can empower you to build incredible applications. Choose wisely and happy coding.